So welcome to part 8, Eco Settings and Additional Details 2. So we're continuing with what we just did and adding more stuff. Checking things, light, playing with things, all this kind of stuff. This is the nice thing on the light mix. You don't need to render anything. You just have it there and then, play with it. So you can see how the stuff inside is coming to life, which is exactly what we're looking after. As you can see, there's no intersections with plants sticking out of the vase or something, so we are good with that. But I would like to, play a bit more with it. And as you can see, we are good. There were some animation for keys. I don't know why it's there, but we deleted them. That's good. Again, there's no need to comment stuff, which is pretty obvious. So I'm not happy with how the tree is. As you can see, the leaf is sticking out as well on the top right. So yes, there we go. So we need to fix that and just follow along. Same for the rocks, as you can see. I'm just going along and moving them, turning them, putting them the way I want them, and that guarantees you a nice image. Make sure that nothing is sticking out. So we also turning the vase a bit. I had a noise modifier on it, so it was not perfectly round, which phases most never are. So that's why. Here again, the shader from the Quixel Mega scans for the plants. So here we're adding a bump map because the leaves were way too smooth. That's really needed. So I went and loaded it in. That's the translucency for the two-sided material, which will basically give you more light coming through, or it fakes it at least. As you see, that bump was missing all the assets I used. So I'm going through them and adding them for the final look. So quick render with the displacement turned off. Let's see. I'm turning off the displacement because we're doing a live render. So yeah, it's better to turn it off because it tends to crash. And it's unnecessary because we don't want to see it. And as you can see, the leaves look straight away much better. In this case, just a bit too much, so we're dialing back. Adding a bit of metalness, which kind of gives it a bit darker, shiny kind of feel. So I'm adding this to 50%. So I would use half the map I connected and half the color we're using. The strength, sorry. For this one, I wanted a bit more punch in the material. So as you can see, I added a color correction and did so. Let's see how it looks. Much better. Again, as you can see, more little tweaking. I felt like I had to change something in the noise, so that's what I'm doing. This shows you exactly what the noise can do, which is perfect for not having a perfectly round and smooth glass.